In this video, we are going to learn the IV characteristics of a diode. Now, to proceed further, we see this is the symbol of a diode. With this mean that it is nothing but a PN junction where the P terminal is called the anode and the N terminal is called the cathode. In circuit, this is given a symbol like this. Now, to complete this circuit, I will connect let us say a resistor, and I will give a voltage over here. Now this voltage was named as capital V, and the direction of the current will be named as I. And the current which is through the diode will be named as ID, and the voltage across the diode will be named as VD. So let us rub this out. Now let us take a case A. When we have the voltage V given as say 100 volt, and let us say this is R, a resistance, and with R is equal to let us say 10 ohm. So obviously the current will be 10 ampere if a diode is there and if it is idle. Otherwise, let us take this as idle. So the current that flowing through is 10 ampere. Now our objective is to know that what will be the value of ID and what will be the value of VD at this particular case. So obviously the ID will be nothing as equal to I, and VD, the drop across the diode, in idle it is 0, but usually it is 0.7 volt. If I plot in the X and Y axis, let us say idle it is 0, the VD value is 0 and ID is having some value, so I am getting a point like here. But if I am taking the actual value, I will be getting a point somewhere here. This is case 1. Now case 2 is, if I will give the voltage as minus 100 volt. The resistance is same 10 ohm and the current will be minus 10 ampere. Now again the value of ID will be, if the voltage is reversed, the current is also reversed. The ID current is not going to reverse because of this diode is reverse bias, so ID is 0. But the VD, the voltage across the diode, since the voltage applied to the circuit is reversed, the voltage across the diode will be the minus 100 volt. Because we have reversed, if I show in the reverse polarity like this, so this V is now negative. This V is negative voltage, and the voltage across VD will be like minus 100. So if I am representing that in this pattern, I can write here as this minus 100 volt. So the voltage across the diode will be also minus 100, and since it is reverse biased, the current will be 0. If I plot it in the XY, it is minus 100 and 0 current, so it will lie here. So if this voltage would be any value from 0 to up to minus 100 or minus 200, so the current will be 0. So I will have in the x-axis the curve will be look like this. So whatever the value of the reverse voltage, unless we go for a breakdown voltage, this will be the curve in the x-axis. And in the case A, whatever the voltage we are going to give, 100 volts or we give any 50 volts or 20 volts, so the voltage across the diode will be 0 or it is 0.7, and the current will be, that means there will be a current, but there will not be any voltage across the diode. In ideal condition, if we consider the ideal case, then we will get this as a cross. Then if we decrease the voltage, supply voltage, so let us say this is 100 we are taking, suppose we decrease it to 50, so then the voltage across the diode is still 0.7. If we further decrease, it is still 0.7 and the current is there. But if the voltage is 1 volt, so probably the current is less, so there will be a drop, gradually decrease also. So we are getting a curve like this. So if ideal IV characteristics of a diode is asked, so it will be look like this. So here it is minus V, here it is plus I, and this is what the IV characteristics of diode.